Shami isn't looking as, snaky for some reason. And I feel bad for KL. Shout out to Kela.
Shout out to Kela. You've been doing good, bro. Early prediction कर दे Champions Trophy final का India versus
That's
who?
too early. India versus who? Wow.
Richie going crazy right now
Yeah.
somewhere. को एक दोस्त ढूंढता हूँ मैं.
Those ढूंढ रहा हूँ दोस्ती के लिए, which is not beer bicep. Akshar Patel coming up the order.
बापू is in form. मी तो लाइफ है भाई. क्रिकेट कौन देख रहा है?
क्रिकेट तो कोई नहीं यार.
Welcome to Crickheads episode number 39.
It is fucker Zaman for a reason. Did we ever think?
Already demonetized. Already episode demonetized.
Dude, did you think we'll ever reach fucker Zaman as a?
I never thought in any way I never thought we will reach this place, but it's an honor, honestly. It's crazy. We are in the numbers right now that no Indian cricketer has chosen a jersey number.
Oh, man.
Which is like uncharted territory.
Fakhar Zaman, 41 of 28
soon
balls,
to-
gave a good start, by the way, the other day. Pakistan chased 352
yeah.
against South Africa with 100 from
Wow.
Captain Rizwan and also another 100 from Salman Agha. Pakistan's looking strong, by the way.
Wow.
And I know all of
Looking
this.
at a bad time.
Yeah, I looking good at a bad time. Hopefully, we don't have to say the same about India. But
Yeah.
you know what I like about this Tri-Nation series that's happening in Pakistan, which is just 1-1 match that everyone. So it's not even a tri-series. It's like, I mean, it is a tri-series, but it's like, is that fan code is making 29 rupees per match, depending on my interest levels and my joblessness.
Yeah. And I'm sure most of those 29 rupees come from India only.
Yeah.
I feel like we are number one. Wait, it's in Pakistan and who are the countries?
Pakistan,
South
New
Africa?
Zealand, and South Africa. So basically, it was I think
Okay.
Pakistan, New Zealand played the first game, and if I'm not wrong, Pakistan lost. Okay, wait, let me open this
Okay.
because I've seen it in detail.
So Fakhar Zaman is in a great, like, as if it's not enough of an honor that he's in good form
Yeah.
for himself. We have bestowed the even greater honor. He's
Biggest
the-
honor for any
he's
Pakistani
episode
player.
name.
Yeah. So, dude, first match he scored 84 of 69. So
Yeah.
he's scoring like some quick runs in the beginning, although Pakistan lost that match. So first match, Pakistan lost to New Zealand.
You know.
Second match,
Huh.
South Africa lost to New Zealand. So South Africa is the only team that's won both matches. Big deal in this
Wow. This is
Tri-Nation series.
this is in Pakistan,
This is in
right?
Pakistan, and then South Africa lost to Pakistan. Pakistan chased down highest chase ever for Pakistan, and Antariksh is gone, by the way.
Our producer has dropped off. I don't know what that means for the podcast.
Is it still recording?
But it's still recording.
Okay.
Yeah. It's recording. So we'll keep talking,
Yes.
and maybe there'll be something
Very,
missing.
very
in the
PCB,
final
very
episode.
PCB like thing happened right now, where coach
We
has
have
disappeared.
facing infrastructure issues, much like Pakistan issues. आज हमारा भी ग्राउंड मिसिंग है बिकॉज हम लोग रिमोटली
थोड़े हाँ हम दोनों अलग वेन्यूज पे न्यूट्रल वेन्यूज अवे मैचेस में हमारा आज तू कहाँ पे चेन्नई
दैट्स राइट नहीं मैं अभी वापस बॉम्बे में हूँ सिर्फ आज के लिए और कल चेन्नई में रहूंगा
ओके
एंड यू आर इन दिल्ली our national capital region
where I bombed at the fucking roast but I cannot talk about
let's
it
hear
much.
about it
No,
man can you talk about
no,
it
I cannot we'll know later on at some point.
ठीक है, no problem. It's not like anything is going to release anytime soon. Time बाद ही आएगा.
Yes, how can we not address what is happening in this world right now?
I don't know, man. Would you rather address it or would you?
It's a weird time for everybody.
It's a weird time. It's a weird time. मैं तो cricket is the last thing on my mind, to be honest. I just thought of one thing कि पाकिस्तान में जब Tri Nation series होता है तो try is spelled TRY because it's trying to be a country right now. Yes, when in doubt, Pakistan को down करो.
Always works. We are playing them again 23rd. तो अभी
Third, 23rd.
पहले तो let's discuss now that you said कि peaked early Pakistan. What do you think about India? Are we peaking early again? Or what is let's
एक तो एक तो मैं बताऊं, इंडियन क्रिकेट फैंस, स्पेशली विराट फैंस, जब रोहित शर्मा सेंचुरी मारता है, लेट्स अप्रिशिएट इट.
so Shamik, yes,
Cool.
India
I'll just
versus Pakistan,
yeah,
India England 3-0 whitewash
yeah. नहीं, I was saying
की
जब रोहित सेंचुरी मारता है,
हाँ
विराट फैंस लेट्स सपोर्ट रोहित इंस्टेड ऑफ. उस पे रील्स आ रहा है कि विग पहन रहा है रोहित, बिकॉज इन द इन द ड्रेसिंग रूम they saw him remove his wig apparently
what
after the century.
what do you say
Yeah, ये सब इंस्टाग्राम पे यही ट्रेंड हो रहा था. मे बी आई एम रिसीविंग दिस बिकॉज हमने ज्यादा बात किया है ट्रांसप्लांट के बारे में
हाँ yeah I think that's
बट आई एम लाइक रोहित भाई मार रहे, मारने दो यार, कभी कभी तो मारते हैं
हाँ
होम पे,
उसके
होम सॉइल पे.
थर्ड मैच में वापस बैक टू
3
रियलिटी हो गई
सेंचुरियंस, राइट? या वो तो है, बट विराट ने 50 मार दिया, ब्रिस्क 50, ऑलमोस्ट रन अ बॉल, लिटिल बेटर देन रन अ बॉल.
हाँ so he's back in form. Are you trying to say
बट
that, or are you still 50-50 about it?
या विराट, देखो अगर तुम अपना बैटिंग एवरेज का स्कोर मार दो तो यू आर इन फॉर्म, राइट?
Yeah.
सेम स्कोर एज बैटिंग एवरेज मारते रहो तो योर एवरेज स्टेज द सेम. 3 सेंचुरियन हो गए भाई, और क्या चाहिए?
रोहित ने
अभिषेक
मारा,
शर्मा हो
रोहित
गया,
शर्मा ने,
अभी
शुभू ने एक मारा कि दो मार,
शुभमन.
शुभू ने
हाँ हाँ,
एक तो मारा, एक में
शुभ ने एक मारा, एक में 70 कुछ मारा था फर्स्ट गेम में भी. ही
हाँ
वाज द मेन स्कोरर. तो ही इज इन
who was the third
गुड निक
centurion
ऑन
अपना?
होम टर्फ. अभिषेक शर्मा ना?
अभिषेक शर्मा. Oh अच्छा, we are counting the T20 as well.
Oh, okay, fair enough. I should not count that. You're right.
Yeah,
Why am I
T20 को
counting
तो
that?
नहीं काउंट
That's
करते.
T20. तो दो ही थे क्या ODIs
तीन
में?
ODI थे.
Sorry,
But the first
friends.
ODI good thing was everybody contributed. But also Akshar Patel coming up the order, scoring good runs.
Yes.
To I think 2 half
Bapu is in
centuries.
form.
बापू ने
बापू is in form.
दो
भाई.
एक 41 भी
Civil
मारा भाई.
disobedience कर दिया बापू ने.
बापू ने एक 41 भी मारा है भाई. बापू ने अच्छा थर्ड मैच नहीं, 41
Yeah,
with 50, but हाँ
he's a proper bowling all-rounder at this point.
yeah.
In some situations, you might just take him as a batter.
And
That's how
when
good he's batting nowadays.
some leg spinners are coming, I think Virat se better send Akshar Patel up the order. वरना पैर हिलने लग जाते हैं. वो देखा विकेट के बाद उसकी शक्ल, अगेन मीम.
ऑफ कोर्स. मीम ही तो लाइफ है भाई. क्रिकेट कौन देख रहा है आजकल?
क्रिकेट तो कोई नहीं यार. Would you
If
rather
you know, like people ask where do you get your news from? I say the social media platforms that we are browsing.
yeah.
If you say cricket news, meme updates me usually
Yeah.
about क्या हो रहा है cricket में.
I mean, yeah,
Unless
these
it's a India
series
match
to
which is important.
yeah, these series to
Yeah,
are meme worthy
exactly.
only. Like I don't think they are made for anything else. It's like I know
It's made for betting and meme.
yeah, and fan code making some money at some. So these and like वो रात को सब आता है ना, Indian cinema page and all these pages, like you
Yeah.
know कि ये आज रात को बनाने वाले हैं और ये
Yeah.
सब मतलब.
Yeah, I think it's got to the point where अभी Dream 11 पे they will have bets on how many people are buying fan code का 29 rupees subscription. उस पे bet लगाएंगे.
There'll be like 2-3 people, me and 2 more like betters maybe who are also, but
because
sorry, say.
That's the beauty of betting कि once you're in, they can just lure you further in with anything.
Yeah.
कि इस पे bet करते
Yeah,
हैं.
that's like fucking futures and options, you know, कि अरे इसका price उस time पे है. It's just, and also like, but I want to like first point out, guys, the power of our podcast, that in one of the episodes we said, what do you want as a cricket trend to come back? And we said Tri Series. And Tri Nation Series is back. I know 1-1 match against each team, and then a final that's going to get. They are going to play, I think, today or tomorrow.
Still, baby steps.
It's getting there.
Towards what
tomorrow they are playing the today they are playing the final, 14th Feb, because Pakistan has banned Valentine's Day. So I think they are keeping it a cricket day. Another 29 rupees.
किस डे पे भी खेल रही है already game. किस डे पे खेला कि नहीं?
किस डे पे?
उदित नारायण न्यू बर्थडे ऐसा बोल रहे हैं.
Man,
हैप्पी किस डे उदित जी.
Udit ji, and now incest day भी बनाना पड़ेगा for Ranveer Alabadia. पूरे
I
कॉमेडी
don't
सीन को
know.
ले डूबा है वो आदमी.
Oh man, what a time to be alive.
इमेजिन
बहुत
मतलब
अच्छा लग रहा है guys.
अभी उदित का चल रहा था और सडनली हम भूल गए उदित के बारे में.
भाई
गोल्डफिश
उदित जी
मेमोरी.
क्या कर रहे हैं हमें अभी उदित जी थर्ड बेस पे होंगे हमें पता भी नहीं है. उदित जी going crazy right now
Yeah.
somewhere.
Hmm.
को एक दोस्त ढूंढता हूँ मैं दोस्ती. I just realized that song. Firstly, that is a Udit song, right?
That
Am I
I
not
let me let.
right
I
in
don't
saying?
think so. I don't think
I
so.
I think our producer can confirm. एक
Hey,
दोस्त ढूंढता
अंतरिक्ष,
हूँ दोस्ती के लिए.
अंतरिक्ष जल्दी बता. I don't think it's
दुनिया हसीनों का मेला
Google.
टिंग 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 टिंग.
दुनिया हसीनों का मेल. उदित नारायण, you are right. Yes. एक दोस्त ढूंढ रहा हूँ दोस्ती के लिए, which is not beer bicep. That is the
Yeah.
caveat at this point.
Oh man. दोस्ती के लिए I just realized how vulgar that sounds.
Yeah.
That's दोस्ती के लिए.
Hmm.
I've never heard दोस्ती sound more vulgar than in this
Yeah.
song. Real skill,
Friendship day
you
पे
know.
भी
But
sound like a creep.
yeah, but yeah, you're right. Everything has been put to the side. Even cricket is not as important right
Yeah, no
now
one
in the
cares.
news cycle.
No one cares at
Yeah.
this point. But I'm saying that what do you think about like now our bowling attack? Shami isn't looking as snaky for some reason.
Yeah,
His ball.
Shami is definitely not back to his best at this point.
Yeah.
But I feel like you, what do you do? Shami, big match player to hai bhai. You have to take him with you.
Get
You
some
can't leave
lactose in,
Shami
maybe. That's what he. Sha-
Shami is like milk biceps, milk PK biceps, I think.
Now we need like oh man, Arshdeep is there. Rana is expensive, but he gets the job done, and he's I feel like I can see. Okay, you tell me if this is wrong or right, and I hope he proves me wrong. But do you see like an Umesh Yadav kind of career in Rana at this point? Like,
It's very possible, man. It's very possible.
so I think he is
In the
quick.
sense,
His line and length gets a
yeah,
little off. He's expensive, but he gets like a few wickets going. But I feel like Umesh Yadav का भी वही pace जैसे थोड़ा इधर उधर हो जाता है age के साथ.
yeah,
And of course, Rana is very
yeah. I
young.
think Umesh had that sort of second coming or third coming. I don't know how many times he returned,
Yeah.
but one of those phases, he played well for a bit,
Hmm.
and he had a lot of attributes other bowlers don't have, which is he's athletic, he's a good fielder,
हाँ.
he's strong. So yeah, I see that in Harshit Rana also.
Hmm.
But yeah, I think he's predominantly going to be IPL player. That's what
That's
the
your
career
prediction
path is going to be.
for
Yeah,
Harshit.
yeah, yeah.
Predominantly IPL.
Which
Possible.
is मतलब
अच्छा तो है
कैश
ही है.
कैश तो आ रहा है भाई.
हमें कुछ भी
हाँ.
काम मिल जाए लाइफ में हम तो खुशी होते हैं.
Yeah.
एक
By the way, speaking of memes, एक अभी मीम अभी आया है on my feed, तो I'll talk about it.
हाँ.
कि मार्टिन गप्टिल
हम्म.
हर बार इंडियन स्लर्स बोलते रहता है टू मतलब
To Yuzi,
insults.
I
तो
think Yuzi के साथ रह के.
यूजी यूजी को गांडू बोला और पहले रोहित को चूतिया भी बोला एक बार.
What? अच्छा,
ठीक है.
I've seen the Gandu one.
Like Rohit points him out in the airport. He's
यूजी को
like,
तो
when they were together.
यूजी को तो कॉमेडियंस भी गांडू बुलाते हैं. That's so sad. Yeah.
But
Sorry.
Guptill airport में, I think Guptill was in MI, right? He was in Mumbai Indians. I think.
Possible. I'll have to check.
Was he?
I don't think so. I
Because
don't remember.
it was Guptill, Bumrah, and Rohit together in the airport, and Rohit Sharma points at Guptill. He's like, "ये देखो, Martin Guptill," and he's like, "Chutia." He replies, "Chutia." And Bumrah is like, "It's live, bro," and he starts laughing.
Oh yeah, I
So,
think I've seen that video.
and he said, and Guptill said he only taught me. He points to Rohit and says he taught me.
Yeah. This was on the
And,
ground. This one on the ground. Some match.
No, this is not. Maybe it's not on ground. It is indoors. So
Okay.
it looked like airport to me. But they were traveling for a game. It looked like. But the point is, I was just thinking, context is everything. A cricketer can be funny just by saying one word.
Yeah.
Because we don't expect them to be funny. वो बस चूतिया बोल दिया white person ने, मैं पागल हो गया उस पे.
हाँ.
I was like, कॉमेडियन बनना है तो पहले क्रिकेट सीखना था, उसके बाद कॉमेडी में
हाँ,
आते
उसके बाद बहुत फ्री लाफ्स मिलते हैं यार, मतलब टेल मी अबाउट इट,
या
मैं बॉम हुआ हूँ। उसके बाद तो मुझे लग रहा है छोड़ ही देना चाहिए।
कुछ तो बोल दे भाई, कुछ आई मीन ऑब्वियसली यू कांट रिवील अ लॉट, बट
Hmm.
दिस इज द फर्स्ट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द रोस्ट दैट विल बी ऑनलाइन, तो कुछ एक
At
इंटरेस्टिंग नगेट बोल दे.
no, Nugget is everyone killed. It feels so bad. And mere pehle there
अरे
was some
यार,
performance which wasn't like, I think, I don't know if it was a sponsor performance or what, but yeah, because of which momentum
ओ
thoda kam
थोड़ा
ho gaya.
मोमेंटम शिफ्ट हो गया.
And then I bombed. And then lines I
तेरे
was
पहले तेरे पहले केएल राहुल आया था क्या सेट करने?
केएल राहुल यार, उसने उस दिन 130 140 के स्ट्राइक रेट पे अच्छा 40 रन बनाया, मतलब बेचारे को इतना गाली देते हैं। और अभी भी वही कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रहा है कि अगर 6 नंबर पे होगा तो फिर आई
Sad.
वुड से ऋषभ पंत, बट अगर 5 नंबर पे होगा तो आई से, मतलब बेचारे
True.
को क्या कर ले। और वो मुझे मैं केएल राहुल
It's
से
true.
सिंपथाइज कर रहा हूँ अब, क्योंकि मुझे सेम फीलिंग आ रही है। अच्छे जोक लिख के जाके बॉम्ब, आई एम लाइक केएल और मेरा ट्रेजेक्टरी साथ में चल रहा है, वी बोथ नीड अ कमबैक।
भाई, who's the Sunil Shetty in your life? That's what you have to
My
figure out.
father,
Someone to be
Sunil.
by your side.
His name
Oh
was
man, the
Sunil.
parallels are crazy.
Yeah, and my massage guy is also Sunil.
अरे बाप रे.
Lots of Sunils in my life.
But yeah, KL's downfall is over. I feel he's back to now he's not the focus of people's insults anymore.
Yeah, मतलब
Uh,
टेस्ट मैच में भी अच्छा खेला,
but
टेस्ट सीरीज में मतलब थोड़ा हॉट एंड
But
कोल्ड पे,
yeah,
बट
the thing you're saying is true. Ki he's always going to be one bad innings away from hate. Like other
yeah.
players have maybe 5 innings, he has one.
Yeah, that's it's really sad. I feel bad for KL. Shout out to Kela.
Shout out to Kela. You've been doing good, bro.
Yeah.
I thought you've been
But
अभी recent past में तो अच्छा ही खेला है.
okay, so chal, let's now discuss Champions Trophy. Okay, abhi we are playing in the
Yes.
UAE, all
Yep.
matches, and
I wonder why we are playing in the UAE.
in Akhand Bharat we will play in Karachi and Lahore once we rename them. But for now,
First game is against Bangladesh,
yeah,
I
the
believe.
Cobras,
20 the Cobras, Cobra Kai,
yeah,
20th Feb, and that's like a warm up game for us before the real game.
which
ऐसे नहीं
is
बोलने का, फिर हार
no, it
जाएंगे
is the
पापड़
real
वाले
game
में.
before the warm up game. Honestly, I must tell you, India Pakistan, it'll feel like a warm up.
I mean, yeah, it's a Sunday game, 2:30 p.m. I'm just wondering उस दिन शो कॉमेडी करना चाहिए कि नहीं.
नहीं, बिल्कुल
क्या
भी
लगता है
नहीं।
तेरे को?
चिल अभी, मतलब पहली बात तो वो मुंबई पुलिस डिसाइड करेगी कि हम कॉमेडी करेंगे कि नहीं उस दिन, और जो भी दूसरे शहरों के पुलिस है पहले तो वो डिसाइड करेगी, उसके
That's
बाद
true.
इंडिया
That's
पाकिस्तान।
true.
बट हाँ, नहीं, सेंस तो नहीं बनता इंडिया पाकिस्तान के दिन कॉमेडी करना।
हाँ, इंडिया पाकिस्तान और क्या तीसरा गेम है? इंडिया न्यूजीलैंड.
इंडिया न्यूजीलैंड वो थोड़ा 1 मार्च को या कुछ है,
हाँ.
ऐसा मार्च
Yeah, I
लेकिन
think we have to win the first two games. मेरे को बहुत. Oh, actually, New Zealand in UAE. I mean, we should destroy them.
yeah, but
To
New
be
Zealand
honest.
is unpredictable AF. Plus we don't know how the pitches are going to play out also, मतलब उतना तो अपने को पता ही नहीं कि वो
Yeah,
फास्ट के लिए होगा,
New
स्लो।
Zealand is New Zealand has caused the biggest loss in revenue for cricket boards in recent past by knocking out India from major tournament.
Yeah,
That is
so
the worst thing you can do.
अभी तो वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप भी कौन ही देखेगा मैन, इट इज नॉट गोना हैपन
Oh,
विदाउट अस।
क्या है इस बार फाइनल? क्या है? जिम्बाब्वे वर्सेस
आई
बांग्लादेश है
थिंक
क्या? क्या है
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
फाइनल वर्ल्ड कप?
आई थिंक ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड नामीबिया का है फाइनल।
भाई वो मेस तो हमें नहीं मिल रहा है इस बार. क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
वही
वो
वो
जो
गधा,
हाँ, गधा.
गधा तो नहीं मिलना
गधा
है,
इस बार तो नहीं मिल
बट गदाफी में गधा
गधा
मिल
तो
जाए तो अलग बात है कुछ।
गधा तो इंडियन कॉमिक्स के सर पे गिर रहा है अभी. But
So that
I want to just throw in. I know this is not cricket related, but अभी मेरे माइंड में आया है. It's fresh, तो
हाँ,
मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि अभी ये डिजी यात्रा बहुत ज्यादा कर रहा है आजकल. मैं बहुत इरिटेट हो रहा हूँ।
क्या कर रहे हैं
भाई? बैंगलोर टर्मिनल 2 से अभी आया मैं आज। इतना ब्यूटीफुल एयरपोर्ट बनाया, तो मेरे को टाइम दे दो ना एयरपोर्ट देखने के लिए। इतना
जल्दी अंदर घुसा दिया।
नहीं, जल्दी नहीं घुस पा रहा हूँ मैं, इतना लाइन था, बिकॉज आई माई डिजी यात्रा वाज नॉट वर्किंग, सो आई हैड टू टेक द रेगुलर लाइन. It was a 40-minute line, dude,
Oh
to get
man,
into the airport.
what the fuck?
Abhi Digi Yatra, they're taking over each entry. It's gonna be to one day. I'm gonna do this bit on stage probably one day. कि मैं अपने घर में एंट्री मार रहा हूँ, उन लोग बोले डिजी यात्रा है कि नहीं, मतलब नहीं है, तो दे बी लाइक जस्ट गो, वो नेबर के घर के वहां से एंटर मार,
उसके घर पे
तू अपने
पुलिस
वॉल
खड़ा है,
में.
CISF.
यार, I feel, I don't know, I'm very paranoid about sharing any data,
Yeah.
because I feel it will get, मतलब पता ही है,
डेटा
leak
तो
हो
हमारा
जाता है.
ऑलरेडी जा चुका है सारा, unless you are getting
हाँ.
summoned by the cyber crime, then it will be in your Insta DM others inbox. what
तो
what men are to women, cyber crime is to comedians. Hidden request.
but yeah, I just want to throw that in. It's really, तू यूज करता है डिजी यात्रा
Of
हर
course,
बार?
मेरा डेटा सारा
उससे
ही
बहुत
चला गया.
फास्ट होता है.
फास्ट तो है, हाँ, बहुत फास्ट है.
हाँ,
हाँ, अच्छा, तेरे पास
ओके,
नहीं है
डाल देता
डिजी
हूँ मैं.
यात्रा अब तक?
यार, मैं एक वियर्ड रिबेलियन फेज में चल रहा था कि नहीं करूंगा मैं.
अरे, you have to embrace it.
because हाँ,
And
because in some airports ना, it was like डिजी यात्रा पे ज्यादा लाइन था. लाइक हैदराबाद में ऐसा होता है,
हैदराबाद
टू
में
मनी.
है वो सीन कि डिजी यात्रा पे, इट्स अ
हाँ,
टेक सिटी, नो, लाइक फास्ट फॉरवर्ड टेक सिटी, सो दे आर लाइक डिजी यात्रा
yeah.
मैक्स.
So I guess you have to again improvise. You have to go to the other line for Hyderabad. ऐसे
Yeah.
सोच के जाना
But
पड़ेगा. But sorry,
let's come back.
sorry,
We are,
sorry,
okay.
cricket fan.
No, yeah, sorry, cricket and Digi Yatra fans. We don't mean to offend Digi Yatra.
Yeah, Digi Yatra. All respect,
Digi
full
Yatris.
respect.
The E. Okay, so what I'm saying is अभी अपना ये episode I think एक दो थोड़ा delay हुआ है. Sorry guys इसके लिए, but थोड़ा we've been little schedule wise tight. But I think maybe this coming tomorrow or max by Monday. So like we are recording on Valentine's Day because cricket ही हमारी दुल्हन है. So
तो पोस्ट वैलेंटाइंस गिफ्ट होगा तुम्हारे लिए, ये 15-16 को आ
16th को
जाएगा.
आएगा. And I think we basically, what are your predictions? Let's do predictions for, because 18th,
Predictions.
yeah, because I think our next recording will then either be after the India Park game.
I doubt it. उससे पहले ही होगा. But let's do the India Bangladesh का तो prediction कर
कर ही
सकते
लेते
हैं.
हैं, yes.
And just in case कर लेते हैं Pakistan, but we'll redo it if,
We'll,
if we do
yeah.
record. India Bangladesh, India will definitely win that game. All right. मैं
Okay.
अभी बोल रहा हूँ, लिख के दे रहा हूँ. India is winning.
Okay.
And there's nothing else I can add, because pitch क्या होगा क्या पता. I can't tell
किसको
you
कुछ नहीं
who will
पता.
score
अभी
how
अभी उन्होंने
much.
उधर एक T20 लीग भी खेला है वो सारे पिचेस पे
हाँ.
ऑलरेडी, मतलब काफी
I
लंबा.
feel low scoring game is a good prediction. First game में हम low score, people will not read the pitch perfectly. So low scoring affair.
Okay.
And it will be an affair.
It will be an affair.
And
मतलब
we will
Bangladesh
win.
will come close.
Yeah, I mean, first
victory.
game I might, maybe correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Destroy me in the comments if I'm wrong. But first game of big tournaments, I can't remember us destroying an opponent. I feel we slowly build our momentum and then we lose it. ये हमारा usual trajectory होता है.
I think, okay,
We
fair.
peak
In
early.
recent times तो yes, yeah, except 2023. But
Yeah. India के jersey पे लिखना चाहिए we peak early.
तो okay, fair. But I no, okay, so I am,
तुझे क्या लगता है?
मुझे लग रहा है कि बांग्लादेश, we will put them to bat first and we will get them all out for like around 197. That's right.
क्या भाई, 1983 वर्ल्ड कप चल रहा है कि 2025?
197 all out.
Okay. You
Bola,
really
my
stuck
ball.
your neck out.
Yeah, bro, I'll stick my neck out anyway. My back is fucked, so I have to stick my neck out. 197.
ठीक है, फिर मैं इंडिया का बैटिंग का बोल. अच्छा, तो no, you finish and then India will chase it down आराम से.
India will chase it down आराम से, I feel. In 197 to max 210. Chal, I'll give you that. ठीक है, अभी मैं
ओके
क्या गाली खाने वाला हूँ ना ये
थोड़ी
प्रेडिक्शन
फट रही है मतलब
हाँ
तेरे को। हाँ, ठीक है इंडिया विल चेज इट डाउन इन 40 ओवर्स राइट
42 overs, and and India will also lose like 4 or 5 wickets. ऐसा नहीं है that we will win ऐसे ही
yeah of course
we'll
that's a given.
yeah so that's man so sad. And okay all
India, as in we have to give batting to everyone. It's
yeah,
strategically we will
of
lose
course,
wickets,
yeah,
guys. I'm saying
it's
everyone has to get a feel out before India Pakistan. Everyone has to have a bat.
yeah, everyone's paying match fees, man, come on, 600 रुपया लगता है मैच खेलने का, बहुत महंगा है तो तू दे
ठीक है
prediction of India
तो
batting first.
मैं बोलता हूँ हाँ इंडिया बैटिंग फर्स्ट इंडिया विल स्कोर 272
Wow, 2003
which
World
I'm
Cup,
saying is
India
low scoring.
Pakistan. Acha, that's low scoring, nice.
That's a low score. In this day and age, I'm sorry, ODI score में 270. It's like that's like a 1996 score. It's not a 2025 score.
Yeah,
But
adjusting
then
for
Bangladesh
inflation,
will
it is
yeah
201.
Bangladesh will start weak and finish weak, but in the middle they will go strong. एक partnership
Shakib
होगा
will come.
लंबा वाला.
Uh,
Sure, let's give it to Shakib for old time's sake. And फिर वो वॉच देखेगा बोलेगा मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है और आउट हो जाएगा and then India will wrap it up. I'm saying you said 42 overs. I'm saying we will also get them all out in 42 overs.
nice.
42 common. The answer to the universe and
Yes,
everything.
42.
So,
People, if you've read or not, I don't know.
Hitchhiker's Guide to Cricket. And तो ठीक है ये हो गया. And India Pakistan, let's not go in detail. I think we will shoot one before. It's on
Okay.
the Sunday. So we will shoot one before that.
Yeah, so let's
तू
stick
है ना
to.
next week?
मैं हूँ,
कि नहीं है
मैं
तू?
फ्राइडे को जा रहा हूँ, तो उसके पहले we'll shoot.
हाँ done. But yeah, India will win. बस
Okay.
इतना ही बोलूँगा मैं.
Yeah, India will win. I think India is winning all 3 matches in the league stage.
Oh man.
And I'm also predicting a Virat Kohli half century against Bangladesh.
Oh,
He will score a
play bold.
74.
Hey, that's a good point. Since this is Virat Kohli abhi playing under Rajat Patidar in RCB.
Oh, the only thing Shamik
RCB's
is
new captain.
wow. No one cares at this point. If Rajat Patidar goes on latent, only that's what matters. Like, when did this announcement happen?
Abhi hua recently. I saw Mr. Nags or someone. No, some online someone has talked about it. Virat himself has said, and this is RCB's level of brand integration. That Virat comes on screen in one reel and he's like, I'm here to tell you that Rajat Patidar will be the captain for this season. Or फिर Big Basket, across the screen Big Basket का slate आता है. I'm like, can we have one piece of conversation from someone without a brand on it?
Dude, everything is a brand. हर जगह पे, मतलब मैं उस दिन जा रहा था, एक बिल्डिंग बन रही थी रीडेवलपमेंट में, और उसके बाहर वो रीडेवलपमेंट के लिए जो पतरा डालते हैं, उसके ऊपर there was an ad for Glenwalk Sanjay Dutt's alcohol company, ginger ale, Glenwalk ginger ale.
By the way, this section of our conversation is called the Itch Guard Kalesh.
Yeah,
Kalesh section.
it is called Itch Guard because it's called the Bernol, क्योंकि हमारी जल रही है, क्योंकि हमें स्पॉन्सर नहीं दे रहा कोई.
ठीक है, Bernol. We just changed our sponsor,
from Bernol,
right now.
Yeah.
The funniest, I mean, you know, in अभी बहुत funny है ये football में कि the French football league is now called French League McDonald's.
What?
McDonald's का नाम और उसमें McDonald's का M है in the name. It is the most embarrassing brand integration of all time.
Oh my god! Because I thought we were the worst. Dream 11.
Yeah.
IPL.
Why? Dream 11 sounds good. My 11 circle, that is bad.
It's the one where everyone was like really big, no?
Yeah, but the way they named it is like 3-4 people said things in the meeting and they said, yeah, all of that.
My
all of that
11 circle.
It's just like grammatically also it doesn't work. क्या बोल क्या रहे हो तुम?
Everything's an ad in United Nations will soon be Geo's India.
या बाय द वे अभी डावोस में जो एक हुआ था वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम, उसमें
डावोस
10
में और
crores
कुछ
worth
होता
of
है लाइफ में? डावोस में बस यही होता रहता है?
उधर 10 crores worth of money was spent on escorts apparently, so that's where we are at in the world right now.
That's pretty cheap
Just to
considering how many what World Economic Forum is. Oh my God. That's crazy. Is
yeah,
this in the news?
IPL after parties, हाँ, this was in the news. IPL after parties के numbers नहीं release हुए अब तक.
वो ललित मोदी लगा के बैठा है.
Yeah,
He's waiting for Raj
yeah, Lalit
Shamani.
Modi era.
Raj Shamani part 2. Now that he was waiting for beer biceps to reveal it.
Lalit Modi era, also known in the service industry as the golden era. Times have
Yeah,
changed. But
everything.
predictions हो गए, अभी कुछ बाकी है बोलने का. Oh yeah, quickly I'll say India Pakistan का documentary on Netflix है. I saw one episode.
How is
The
it?
Greatest Rivalry. It's very much designed for people who don't watch cricket, is what
Yeah,
I feel.
I felt like it
Because
will be
कुछ
like कुछ नया नहीं होने वाला है. Like इसमें मुझे भी लग
कुछ
ही रहा
नया
था.
नहीं है. It literally starts with things like India and Pakistan used to be one country. I'm like, ये किसके लिए है भाई? किसके लिए रिलीज कर रहे हो ये? But
Maybe
one thing
like
was funny in the first episode. If you watch it, let me know, and comments में बताओ if you notice. Shoaib Akhtar is a big part of the
of
episode,
course.
and he's talking about वो 99 में जो द्रविड़ और तेंदुलकर को खत्म किया था, वो कोलकाता
और
में
वापस
उस पे
बोलता
बात
रहेगा वो
करते हैं हम लोग.
जिंदगी भर.
हाँ, and in that they do a recreation of his childhood where they cut to that where he's like Rawalpindi में I couldn't walk, then suddenly I was walking fast one day, ऐसे कुछ बोलता है वो. And और उस पे they show a kid and they show him chucking the ball. I'm like, इसमें purposely किसी ने chuck कराया है. Why? उसका elbow bend है भाई, क्यों नहीं सीधा ball कराया उसको? But
So
it
it's worth
was
watching for those
it's
snippets.
yeah, it's also worth watching for old school graphics. It looks like a documentary from the 90s, which
Nice.
I'll put it as a compliment.
Okay.
So देख सकते हो, time pass है. Let us know if you watched it. What are your thoughts? Do you feel it was worth it? मैंने next second or third episode नहीं देखा. Maybe it gets better, but you can let me know.
I don't think it'll get better, but I'll also watch it at some point.
Yeah, I think that's all in cricket. कुछ और बाकी है तुझे
नहीं
बोलना
कुछ
है?
नहीं. ऑस्ट्रेलिया टीम टूटी हुई है सारे. पैट कमिंस,
Oh
मार्कस
yes,
साइन इज रिटायर्ड, हेजलवुड आउट. तो मतलब मजा आने वाला है उसमें भी.
crazy.
उसके बारे में नेक्स्ट एपिसोड
Yeah,
में
why
बात
can't
करेंगे.
they go through these? Why can't they go through these problems when we need them to go through them?
Yeah,
That is
like
my question.
yeah, by the time
I
these
think it's very
guys
strategic.
they will come, like abhi now they are playing in Sri Lanka. They lost the first match. Now they will like lose a few games and then they will peak around the finals and then they'll play against us.
Yeah, classic Australia. Anyway,
I think
India अभी एक early prediction कर दे Champions Trophy final का, India versus who?
that's too early. India versus who? Wow. I would say India versus actually I think in current form Pakistan only, to be very honest,
Oh,
because home
oh my
advantage
God,
and
India
they are
versus
in form.
Pakistan.
Yeah,
But if India makes the final, they'll have to play in UAE, right?
I guess. I don't know. It's going to be fun to watch.
Yeah, just for that logistical nightmare, I hope it's India versus Pakistan.
Yeah.
There will be a lot of controversy around that.
Yeah.
Let's look forward to it. We'll catch you next week.
We should predict stadiums after this. Like, fuck the matches. Just, where will we be playing?
शोएब अख्तर जिस लेन के बारे में बात कर रहा था इन द डॉक्यूमेंट्री वेरी बोल्ड फर्स्ट, वहां पे होगा 1-2 गेम रावलपिंडी में.
ठीक है, करते हैं
वर्ल्ड
फकर जमान.
गली क्रिकेट चैंपियनशिप्स.
फकर जमान,
प्लीज टेक इट इजी ऑन 23rd को टेक इट इजी. वी नो यू हैव अ हिस्ट्री विद इंडिया, थोड़ा बहुत पागल हो जाता है वो.
बाकी मैचेस में अच्छा खेलो, फिर फाइनल में वापस मिलेंगे,
hope it
बट
doesn't
23rd
happen.
थोड़ा आराम से. All right, I think that is the end of the episode. Would you rather watch
Yes.
cricket or go?
I think this technical difficulty is a sign that we should wrap up the episode because
Yes.
अभी उनको दिखा हुआ है एक कट, एक बहुत rude cut. अंतरिक्ष make sure बहुत ही rude cut है.
हाँ.
Mid word cut us off,
Be
and
brutal.
we come back now to this.
Yes.
Because yeah, this is a brutal time, and we'll be back next week where cricket will matter again.
Yes.
And we will talk seriously.
And
Seriously
and we'll give you updates on FIRs, on close comedians.
Yeah.
Some insights.
Tell us if you want us to stop doing comedy, guys. You want us to be a serious podcast because comedy is bad for our
Culture.
youths and our culture. Please let us know, or let us know if you want us to be this dramatic also.
Yeah, in comments. But with yeah, guys, please comment more, and we will bring back Amit Sinha as well. We saw positive comments, but
absolutely.
But comment.
Yeah, comment something, comment anything, comment any would you rathers, but not that one.
Yeah,
Other
and also
ones.
comment on what you think about the controversy, because cricket really is obsolete this week.
That's right. We'll see you next week where cricket matters again, where we will hopefully matter.
Yes.
And yeah.
Okay. Bye bye.
See you. Bye bye.